Hi, Lucy. I know you said you were having trouble with adding and subtracting fractions. So I'm going to try to hold my camera as still as possible and try to show you how to solve these. First thing to know is adding fractions is similar to adding and subtracting positive and negative integers. Same rules apply. So if we see a negative 3/4, this term is negative. Keep it negative. If we see a double negative, we're taking away a negative. That's the same as just adding a positive. So my first step would be to rewrite everything as addition. Rewrite as addition. Next step is you need a lowest common denominator. So it doesn't have to be the lowest, but there's less work to do at the end if you use the lowest. So I could go 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. Oh, 6 can go into 24. So my lowest common denominator is 24. There's different ways kids like to do this. I like to just write that down and not forget that the denominator is going to be 24. And then I think, oh, I need an equivalent fraction. 4 times 6 is 24. So therefore 3 times 6 is 6, 12, 18. 18 24ths is the same as 3/4. Now, don't forget, this is the 7th grade part of that, is the negative. Otherwise, everything else you've already done. This next term is positive. I think 6 times what is 24? 6 times 4. I'm going to multiply the numerator by 4, and I get 4 24ths, which is the same as 1/6. But now I can add these because I have the same denominator. I'm going to put 18 plus 4 over 24. Now I can use my integer rules. I have negative 18, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And of course you don't have to do that. I just like to do it sometimes. I have a positive 4. These are 0 pairs. Those cancel out. So I'm left with a whole bunch of negatives. I could also say 18 minus 4 is 14. And since I have more negatives, my fraction is going to be a negative 14 24ths. So if you were on a test or a quiz with me and you wrote negative 14 24ths, I'd be pretty happy. However, with Khan Academy, they want you to simplify. So we have to think, oh, what number can go into both 14 and 24? And you don't need the greatest common multiple, but if you know it, great. If you don't, I tell you guys, just whittle it down. I know that 14 and 24 are both divisible by 2. So half of 14 is 7, and don't forget it is negative, and half of 24 is 12. I can't make it any smaller than that, so I'm going to stop there. Negative 7/12. So I think the biggest trick here, Lucy, is these integer rules. When you get to this part, this is the 7th grade part when we have positive and negative numbers. So I'm going to send this video to you. If you want more videos, let me know. All right. Talk to you soon.